Benny the Brave Little Dog. In a small, sunny town, there lived a little brown dog named Benny. Benny had soft, floppy ears and a tail that wagged very fast. He lived with a kind girl named Lily. Every morning, Lily tied a blue scarf around Benny's neck and said, "Be a good dog, Benny." Benny always tried his best, but Benny had one big problem. He was scared. He was scared of loud noises, big dogs, dark places, and even butterflies. When a butterfly flew by, Benny would hide behind Lily's legs. One sunny afternoon, Lily and Benny went to the park. The park had tall green trees, colorful flowers, and happy children playing. Benny liked walking with Lily. He felt safe when she was near. But then, something happened. Lily dropped her red ball. The ball rolled and rolled and rolled right into the little forest next to the park. The forest looked dark and quiet. Lily looked at the forest and said, "Oh no, my ball went into the trees." She looked at Benny. "Benny, can you help me get it?" Benny looked at the forest. It was dark. It was quiet. It looked scary. Benny felt his legs shake. "I'm scared," he thought. Then he looked at Lily's sad face. She really loved that ball. Benny took a deep breath. One small step, he thought. Benny walked slowly toward the forest. Step, step, step. The trees were tall. The leaves made soft sounds. Swish, swish. Benny's heart beat fast. Thump, thump. Then he saw it. The red ball was stuck near a bush, but right behind the bush was a big gray rock. It looked like a monster in the shadows. Benny froze. "Is that a monster?" he thought. But then he looked closer. It was just a rock. Benny sighed. He walked to the ball and gently took it in his mouth. He turned around and walked back. Step, step, step. Lily saw Benny coming. "Benny, you did it!" she shouted happily. She hugged him and said, "You are so brave, Benny." Benny felt something warm inside. He felt proud. The next day, something else happened. At breakfast time, Lily's mom dropped her keys. "Oh no," she said. "My keys fell behind the big old shed." The shed was dark and dusty. Normally, Benny would hide, but this time he remembered the forest. He remembered the rock. He remembered how brave he felt. So Benny walked to the shed. It was dark. It was quiet, but he was careful. He found the keys and brought them back. "Good job, Benny," Lily's mom said. That afternoon, Benny saw a small white kitten stuck in a bush. The kitten was crying. "Meow, meow." The bush had thorns. Benny felt scared again, but he thought, "I can be brave step by step." Slowly, gently, Benny pushed the branches apart with his nose. The kitten ran free. "Thank you," said the kitten. Well, not in words, but with a happy purr. Every day, Benny became a little bit braver. He was still scared sometimes, but he learned this. Being brave doesn't mean you are never scared. Being brave means you try even when you are scared. One evening, Lily hugged Benny and said, "I'm proud of you, my brave dog." Benny wagged his tail. He was still small, he was still soft, but inside, Benny was very, very brave. Moral of the story: being brave does not mean you are never scared. Being brave means trying your best, even when you feel afraid.